Ay serenadi de mere sayette tu sayado Ados tu
All right, Matteo here from Homesteading Italian. I am in Holmes County, Ohio, Millersburg, I think the pronunciation is. And as you can see in the background, the Yardbird sign, I am having the pleasure of coming to this part of America to put on a poultry processing demonstration. It's a Heartland Reliance Conference. Like I said, in Millersburg. It's a gorgeous place, smack in the Amish part of Ohio. Most people think of Lancaster in Pennsylvania, which is certainly a Amish hotbed. But here in Ohio, they have their own hotbed around Millersburg. So anyway, poultry processing in Ohio. Look forward to it.
I got to Cincinnati by taking New Jersey's shortest train ride, the Dinky, which leaves from Princeton, New Jersey, and takes me all the way to West Windsor, New Jersey. From here, it was a New Jersey Transit train all the way up to Newark Airport, which was a fun ride because I got to see a lot of the smaller towns and cities of New Jersey. Then it was the air tram through the airport, allowing me to see Anheuser-Busch, the Budweiser Company, and finally a plane ride all the way in to Cincinnati, arriving at night.
I am so honored to be in your town. You are
I'm the mayor of Millersburg,
Can you believe
Ohio.
that? Here I am in Holmes County. Did I say it right?
Yep,
Holmes County, Ohio. And
And
I came to the opening ceremony of this incredible fair, and I hear that the mayor's here, Miss Coffee, a year and a half, right?
Year and a half.
So I want to say, first off, to the people of Millersburg, good job, because this woman's amazing, and keep voting for her. So I'm here, Matteo from Homesteading Italian, and I'm going to spend, unfortunately, only 2 days in your area, but hopefully I'm a boomerang and I come back.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You'll let me know if I should come back.
You should come back. There's
You're
a lot
not
to
sure
see
yet.
here. Yeah.
New Jersey brings a lot. All right, well, anyway, vote for Miss Kelly Coffee for the next election, and maybe I should come back and be one of your promoters.
You should, and bring all of your friends from your YouTube
All right,
channel.
so-
Come down to Holmes County. We're the heart of Amish country here in Ohio, and we would love for you to come and visit us.
Can you see why this woman got voted for? All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
After meeting the mayor, I thought it best to see her town. It was quite quaint, but yet windy that day. I then drove out into Holmes County, which allowed me to see many of the rural areas, animals, babbling brooks, and of course, I had to find one of the horse-drawn buggies. It was a lovely trip out into their native area, but I did need to get back to the fair.
All right. If you haven't met these two people, you need to meet them, because very soon we're going to be going to their fair. Any words on your fair?
It's hopping. It's definitely a place to be. Peaceful side of the Smokies. We're gonna have David Seltzer from Azure Standard as our keynote speaker, along with a lot of other amazing influencers and people who are truly deep need in the homesteading movement. You do not want to miss this conference. 2 full days packed of teaching, demonstrations. Our very own Matt Wilkinson.
That's right,
doing
Yardbird
the
doing it,
chicken
bringing
plucking.
it in.
That's right. We're going to have goat, lamb slaughter. We're going to have cast iron cooking. Man, we're going to have it all. You do not want to miss it.
What state?
Tennessee, Townsend, Tennessee. The date is September 12 and 13. Full on amazing.
Beautiful towns in Tennessee, right at the foot of the Smokies. Beautiful views, new facility.
Well, I don't know. Personally, I don't know if I can wait that long, but I'm going to have to. All right, so these are the people who make it happen, and we'll be following up with a video when we take on and enjoy their fair. So for now, we'll see you in September.
Look forward to it.
Look forward to East Tennessee Homestead Alliance.
Woo!
Be there, be square.
Place, I do different things. Yeah, so, I mean, I think that's cool and all, but I don't.
We're Happy Dale Aviary. We raise heritage and rare breed of birds at our farm. We raise all sorts of birds: pheasants, geese, swans, ducks, chickens, turkeys, quail, geese. That's what we raise. So
What are you holding?
I'm holding here. This is Mocha. He's my demo rooster. He's a Polish silver lace crested Polish. He's a pretty cool bird. I've been keeping him around for quite a while now doing demos, so you can do all sorts of things.
Look
with
at you,
him.
you're doing
And
bicep curls.
He doesn't react really to anything. He's a demo bird. I show people how to properly hold birds with him and that kind of thing. So to properly hold a bird, go like this, slide underneath, hold the legs together, and there you go.
All right, that's awesome. Now, if someone wants to get some of these heritage breeds from you, how do they do it?
You can contact me through my Facebook page. I'm Happy Dale Aviary.
Now it was time to get started for the reason I showed up, to put on a poultry processing demonstration. Slow yourself down. All right, come on out.
So what are you going to do now? You tell me. Yep. Okay, grab it the other way. See how you're all weird on the grab? No. Grab the feet the other way. Nope. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now belly to belly. Perfect. All right, come on over here. You're doing great. Seriously. Now, hold it with your right hand. Yeah. Now, fish the head out. Here, I'll help you out. Now, see how the thumb goes? Bring it down. Bring it down. Bring your thumb down. Okay, there. Now, there's the artery. Okay? See the other one? All right, let go of the feet. Keep tension. Yeah, I'm going to help you. No. Angle right there. All right, 21.
Okay.
Keep it low. Nope, below.
2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000, 8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000.
She struggled at
13
math in
1,000,
school.
14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19 1,000, 20 1,000,
Pull it up.
21 1,000.
All right, test her out.
So like.
Now, if you've ever gone to a junk castle, county castle, no fun by yourself. No fun. 2 people are fun. Then you get to pull it up. Here we go. Get ready. Aha! Right? Pretty amazing. That's what you want to see. the baby butt cheeks. And you're not going to forget it because I just said something weird. Baby butt cheeks. You got your baby butt cheeks?
I don't see the baby butt cheeks. Oh,
Right there.
okay.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, now I'm going to take my knife. I'm going to give myself some 2 baby butt cheeks. And I'm going to put my knife south of the butt. Put your hand here and you're going to pull.
Okay.
This is a fun moment for you. You ready?
Should my husband be watching this?
No.
Right, like this? Like
Whatever.
this? Okay.
Whatever's coming.
Okay,
Just
and then
pull.
just pull?
There we
Oh,
go.
that was
Ouch.
fun.
Yes, it was. I like it myself. See how it comes through? I take it up. I get my stomach away. I turn and I pull it out. Now I've separated the neck. Look how nice and clean that is.
Okay.
Just we go all the way up to the top. Now you're going to be positive you're going to break something.
Okay.
You probably won't. Once I'm there, I'm see that baby bottom? Okay? I'm back pulling. So watch.
You got more than I did.
No joke. Go in again. You got the heart out though, which was great. All right, good. You got it. You got it.
Okay. Just keep pulling. Got it.
Okay. Now let's do a little anatomy class. The heart, right here. Okay, edible. You can. The liver, edible. But see this thing? You know what that's called? Gallbladder. This is when we find out who's ever killed chickens before. Easy to break this. Nasty. So what we do is we hold the heart or liver and we just pinch into the liver. Yeah, I lose a little liver, but who cares? I pinch it off and then I got my liver and I leave that gallbladder sitting there. See it? See if you can do that. You got a big old gallbladder.
Of course.
Actually, I've never seen one that big. Lucky
That's what
you.
she said.
You want me to help you? Or you good?
I think I got it.
Okay, good.
It's just
Just
gonna be a
pinch
little dismantled.
Yeah, that's okay. Put that over there. Edible.
Okay.
Now, I want to show you something. See the color of that? Get all the guts out. Now, there's our friend the butthole. So what I'm going to do, you ready? Is come on over here so you can see this.
Okay.
There's the butthole. I take my knife and I go left to the butthole. Put all this junk over there. Go right of the butthole, and then I just scoop it out.
Okay.
You hear that confidence? That's nice.
I got this.
I know you do. All right, now I'll tell you an
Okay.
easier way is just come here,
Okay.
like pull this out, and then just take your knife and just scoop down a little.
Okay.
There's the lungs. Bring it in, turn it. It's being a little bit obnoxious. There they are. We'll do occasional, little check over. It should go in a Rubbermaid or something of ice water. You got to get the internal temperature down to 42 degrees. It's going to go through rigor mortis, a couple times. You can put it in the fridge after it's ice bath because it will continue to go through rigor mortis. That's a natural process of the chemical composition breaking down. Don't put them right in the freezer because you rob the rigor mortis process and you're going to have a tough growth. Ice bath, refrigerator, then freezer. 24 hours in the refrigerator. I joke around a lot. I know it. Bridget picked her out of the audience, made the mistake of raising her hand saying, I've never done it. She did it in front of, what do we got? Maybe 30 people. That's pretty darn scary. You are a rock star. A round of applause for you.
I truly hope you liked this video. Hit the like button, continue to follow along, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.